So we're just going to quickly go over how to install your rain gauge on your property. So the gauge, it's just a small little one. Be careful, the tube is glass, so just be aware and careful of that in case it breaks. So it'll come with two little holes on the base and on the side. So you can mount it either on your deck or on a stake sort of in the middle of a lawn area. It's up to you where the best place is on your property. You do want to be aware of what is around the rain gauge. So the rule of thumb is the height of the closest thing, so be it a building or a tree, you want to be twice that distance away with your rain gauge. So for example, the SSA office here, which is, I'm going to ballpark maybe 20 feet high, so we'd want to be 40 feet away from that building. So trying to find that best place on your property where it's nice and open and there won't be interference with the rain gauge. And so you'll just install that the best way that you can, and then take your readings after every rainfall. So the gauge shows measurements in both centimeters and inches, and so we want it recorded in centimeters. And then once it's done, or once you've recorded a rain event, you just twist the little tube out and shake out the rain, put it back in, and you're ready for the next rain event. And that's how we do our rain measurements.